Hi and welcome to a new video. Many videos on TikTok use the built-in text-to-speech feature, and it sure adds an element to your videos. In this video, I'll show you how to use the text-to-speech function on TikTok on your iPhone, and if it is possible to use different voices. Let's go. On your iPhone, open TikTok and tap the plus button to create a video. For this demo, I've already uploaded a video, but you can just film yours if you want. Tap on the text button at the side and enter the text you want to be read out loud. You can customize the style of your text to your preference. Tap on the letter A icon to add a highlight to your text. You can also change the highlight color from the options. Click outside to save the text or tap Done in the top right. Using two fingers, you can resize and place the text anywhere on the screen. Now, one thing to remember is that the length of your video should be longer than the text, or else the speech will be cut short. Tap on the text and select Text to Speech. Once it is done, you should hear the speech inserted into your video.
This is a test for text-to-speech on TikTok.
If you want to adjust when the text will appear, tap on the text, then click on Set Duration. Here, you can drag the start point of the text to where you want it to appear. You can press the play button to test it out until you are satisfied with the duration. Pause the playback and confirm with the little check button at the bottom to save. Press Next to proceed, put in your caption, and tap Post once you are done. In the past, TikTok allows users to choose from different voices to use for the text-to-speech, but now the voice options are gone. Even with the latest version of TikTok installed, there is no option to change the voice. I tried to find an alternative solution for this, like changing some settings on my iPhone, hoping to get other voices. But even if you change the language and region, there are still no voice options in TikTok. Write down below if you find a solution to change the voice options so others can change theirs. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.